Samsung is back with something massive, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. This phone is set to push smartphone technology beyond limits. First, that incredible edge-to-edge 200Hz AMOLED display, smooth, bright, and futuristic. Then, the 200MP AI camera system designed for ultra-clear shots, even in the darkest nights. Your photos will look like daylight. Powering it all is the rumored Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, making multitasking, gaming, and performance absolutely seamless. And let's not forget up to 100W ultra-fast charging means you'll get hours of battery in just minutes. Plus, with S Pen support and AI-driven multitasking, this device isn't just a phone, it's a productivity beast. So, what do you think? Will the Galaxy S26 Ultra crush the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Or is Apple still the king? Comment below.